Hey guys, it's Beto here, the quick video update for Bitcoin on Base on this beautiful Friday, heading into a really nice weekend. Currently trading at 18 cents with a $2.8 million market cap. In the next few minutes, I want to do a couple of things. I'm going to check the 4-hour chart with you just to let you know or to identify some support levels and kind of figure out what the chart's going to do. But I also want to show you something that I found when I was zooming out. That's really interesting. That's really going to tell a story that's going to, I guess, put anybody that's worrying about price at ease over the long term. So right now you're looking at the 4-hour chart. The blue line, that vertical line that you see is the July 15 airdrop that happened to deliver to anybody holding 2,400 tokens or more, delivered some Coinbase wrapped Bitcoin. And we had some sideways trading for a couple of days, but then we started seeing this big sell-off all the way down to 17 cents, and it bounced off the 17-cent mark right here, and then it's going to bounce, or it bounced again earlier today, one more time off the 17-cent mark right there. So to me right now, what's happening on the chart is likely forming a double bottom, and this is going to go up a little bit and maybe trade sideways and test that 20-cent resistance. That's the next white line that you see above that yellow arrow. So price, that's what's going on. That's what's happening. When you zoom out, and that's always say, what's the saying? When in doubt, zoom out. So when you zoom out, and this is the chart, the 1-day chart, and those two yellow lines that you see on the screen pretty much are that channel that we've been trading around for so long, at least for the last 6 months before those two huge pumps. And I want to show you something. So if you notice over here, when it was October, November of last year, we saw some huge action, right? It busted out of that channel above 30 cents into the stratosphere, all the way up to probably $1. But I want to show you something that's really interesting as well. Look at the volume during this period of time right here. And sorry about my squares. They're not going to be perfect, but just want to illustrate kind of what I'm talking about. So now when you move forward and come all the way down to August, or July, and just look at how beautifully we're consolidating between the 17 or 18 cents and the 30 cents. And I know that people don't like to hear consolidation, and everybody just wants to moon. Everybody just wants to go, to $2, $3, $4 instantly. That stuff doesn't really happen. That's something that happens sometimes. It does happen, but not necessarily all the time. So what's happening here, I think we're consolidating. A lot of people are buying in. Some people are holding. We've seen some people selling. It's just the nature of the market of what's going on right now. Still a lot of uncertainty. Still no huge altcoin season from what I can tell. There was a couple of days ago that it looked like it was getting really hot. The market really hot, and then it cooled down again. And that's why we're seeing that sell-off, at least even for Bitcoin. But I want to show you something right here. So this is where we are right now, kind of like a good section of the chart. That's what's been going on for the last couple of days, up and down, and especially down since the airdrop. But also look at the volume. Look at the volume over the last, few weeks. What's going on? It's been fairly small. It's not a huge volume. And sorry, like I said, my squares and rectangles are going to be all messed up. But anyway, just wanted to show you that. So what we want to happen eventually, if you really want to see some craziness in the chart, we need this to happen in terms of volume, right? We need that to happen. We need a lot of people to come in, and I don't think people are here yet. I think we're still very early for those of us that are holding all these projects, the top tier projects in Base and other chains, at least specifically for Base. I think we're still very early. When the app is finally opened up to everybody and people are able to trade there, and all these projects are available for more people to access and buy. And then when that market actually turns on, and whether it's this year or the end of the year in August or whenever it is, all these projects, especially projects like Bitcoin on Base, are going to just skyrocket. And all these people in retail that are coming in with their pockets full, waiting to invest in something, buying meme coins or buying coins or anything out there that they want to get their hands on because it's on TV, because it's everywhere, these tokens are just going to fly. And that's just something that I can tell you about. Obviously can't predict the future, but eventually it will happen, because the market will just go crazy. But anyway, just wanted to share that Bitcoin on Base is still moving forward. The project is still targeting the next airdrop. The mining collective is looking to grow, and then the on-chain wellness app is also in the works. That's still in the works, so it takes time for things to develop. But anyway, just want to give you this insight, this chart check, and just get you ready for a weekend. Hopefully you enjoy this a little bit longer than usual. If you like this information, like, share, subscribe, do all that stuff, and comment at the bottom. Let me know your thoughts, and then I would definitely appreciate that. And then that way we can get the word out about this amazing project and how it's doing at the moment. All right, talk to you guys soon.